It's so nice to meet all of you all through Instagram. Okay, let me take the first question. That's by Giri Day. What are the special plans for your birthday? Okay. Special plans are with my daughter and my husband, and very close friends and family, because in Maharashtra and Bombay the COVID 19 has spiked, so can't really celebrate. We're back to square one from last March to this March. Again, things are looking a bit not very great, so we're going to keep a low profile birthday. But yeah, but it's always special to have my mum and my daughter and my husband by my side. Okay. Sanim Demer 32. Hello. Okay, then there is you are completing 25 years in the industry this year. Tell us about your journey. This is Super Sandy. Okay, so 25 years, yeah, when I think of the number of years, 25, it seems like a very long time. But honestly, for me, it just seems like my journey has never been, like it's not stopped. It's just gone on and on and on. Since the day I was 16, I started working. And now after 25 years, it feels the same, because the struggle is yet on. Learning is still on as an actor. There's a lot that I have to accomplish. There's a lot that I have to learn. For an actor, learning never stops. And the more experience I have with different directors, different technicians, different co-stars, I get to learn a lot. So yeah, it still feels nice, and I'm raring to go, because with each film I kind of discover a new me, and I love telling stories, important stories, powerful women stories. So yeah, so I just hope that my next 25 years is as wonderful as my last 25 years would be, and in that I only want support from you guys, because without my fans, without people who admire my work, my journey would have been incomplete. So I would just want your love and your blessings for the next 25 years. Then there's Tarun TY33. Can't wait to see you in Bunty or Bubbly 2. Tell us a little about the film. Okay, so Bunty or Bubbly 2, of course, Bunty or Bubbly 1. Though it was not called Bunty or Bubbly 1, it was just Bunty Bubbly at that time. It's one of my most memorable films that I worked in, and it's one of the films that I enjoyed shooting a lot. I think it was a whole lot of fun, because Shad, Abhishek, Vaibhavi, all of us, I think we were at that stage in our lives where we were all carefree, and there was another kind of energy that we had on the sets, and the way Shad shot it, especially in Kanpur, Lucknow. There were all these guerrilla shoots that we were doing in real locations. Then traveling from one place to another in India, it was amazing, because having the local food, cuisine. I'm quite a foodie at that, so it was really fun. So yeah, when Bunty Bubbly 2 came up, there was a lot of nostalgia. There was a lot of love, and of course this time I didn't have Shad or Abhishek with me, joining me in this journey of Bunty Bubbly 2. But to be very honest, the journey this time was also equally fun, because I had Saif, who was one of my most favorite co-stars to partner with in this film. And of course there was Varun, who's a director, not Varun Dhawan, but Varun, my director, who's done a fabulous job with Bunty Bubbly 2. I think he's one of the people who obviously has seen Bunty Bubbly while growing up, and I think it was one of his favorite films. So he's given a nice quirky twist to the film, and of course with Sharvari, who is debuting with the film, who is also young bubbly, and Siddhant, who's playing Bunty. They both have brought this amazing freshness to Bunty Bubbly 2. So I'm sure the people who've loved Bunty Bubbly will absolutely adore Bunty Bubbly 2 as well. Okay, so there is Abhimanyu. Then there is, I'm just going to take some names whoever's joining me. Akshay Solanki, he sent me a lot of love, so a lot of love to you too. Jolly Pie also has sent a lot of love with this smiley. Then there's Hussein Mashal, movie after Bunty Bubbly 2. Okay, that's a surprise, guys, and I don't think you'll have to wait for long because I'm going to give you that surprise very soon. It's a very special film, so I think you'll get to know about it soon. Okay, somebody sent me a lot of hearts and somebody sent me crying. I don't know. Then there's Dharmesh Rathod. How was it shooting with Saif after so many years? Saif, as I said, he's one of my most favorite co-stars. I've done a lot of work with Saif, and I think this time around it was of course different because the maximum we spoke about was about our children. He spoke about Taimur and I spoke about Adira and about what our children do and what do they have in common. So yeah, it was wonderful to now interact as parents. When I worked with Saif previously, of course he had Sarah and Ibrahim, but I was not a mom. But this time around I was a mom, so we exchanged a lot of notes regarding our children. Now that's strategy. Please make your own Insta account. Okay, I'm going to try that. But you know, I'm very bad at being on social media. But through these kind of things like these Instagram live chats, I get to meet you guys. So I'm very, very thankful to YRF for giving me this opportunity to do that. Okay, then.